Guys, if you want to join my free Discord, link in the description, completely free. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Let's really review the market today. We had a 500 point dump. I didn't take any trades, never got the retracement I wanted. Going into the day though, I was kind of iffy. I could have been bullish or bearish. So I kind of wanted to let price print to really show me what we were going to do. So this was London low, and I think this was Asian low, or is the one under it? No, the one under it. So this was Asian low. So you kind of want to make sure you watch your session lows in morning New York because they tend to have high favor. Right, so we have Asian down here. I'll mark it out. Right, so we come up and we're in this range right here. We're really close to these buy side levels. No SMT up here or anything that would confirm a reversal. We kind of have, this right here is a change in the state, but we're kind of not respecting it. As you see, we buy back up. So it's kind of weird watching that. So, and my rule, as you guys know, is wait till 9:40 to take a trade. So I'm really trying to follow that. So we get market open right here. We'll break down market open. Market open is chopping. It is a struggle bus to go higher, which should be kind of a sign. I would have been long if we would have got like a 5-minute change in the state here, but we never did it. As you see, we chop, 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 chop for at least a good 30 minutes here. We put in this SMT right here at this high. It was also like an SMT at this high, but this one I just have it as. And then that's when we start to finally start to sell. But me, I have to wait till 9:40. I want to see 10 minutes of market open before I really take a trade or really make sure my bias is correct. And so the best trade would have been right here, right? You get your change in the state, you get an inversion after putting in an SMT, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. You sell all the way off. Now, I would have not held it all the way down to here. I would have held it only the way to the Asian session or London session. I was looking for an entry once we inverse this 5 minutes. So according to my rules, right, like I want to wait until we really prove to me that we're going to keep going down. And I guess since we never broke structure to the upside, I didn't really need a confirmation to know we are going to break structure to the downside, if that makes sense. But so like once this 5 minute got inversed, it was aligned really good with this imbalance right here. So I kind of I had my limit order set right here. If we just got any type of pullback to this range, I was going to be in short for something like this. Oops, something like this, and I was going to like have most off at London and then the rest off at Asian. This was what I was looking for. We didn't get any pullback at all though, which is okay. Looking back on it now, we didn't really need it. This is clear. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, inverse right there. Change in the state right there. Change in the state right there. Higher time frame was bearish the whole entire time. You barely inverse this imbalance, right? By maybe, right? You barely inverse this. Accumulation, manipulation inside and inverse it. Never got any pullback. If I was paying great attention after this dump, I probably would have taken a short off of this fair value gap here. Just because we're so bearish and so much speed and volume to the downside that you could definitely take this as like low risk of just following the order flow, entering there with your stops at the high. This is like a low risk, just really trying to, something like that. Or even if you want to be even cautious or wait for, you get the break of structure, then your stops at the high. Then you come down to Asian, something like that. But nothing for me today, and that's okay. It happens. Sometimes you get these big dumps. It was a little upsetting just because like this is print, right? 500 point dump is print. Like that's crazy. But like I'm happy that I was able to follow my rules because at the end of the day, like that's all that matters. Like me being able to wait till 9:40 and not getting greed or FOMO with this move coming in is huge. Like that's a huge learning factor, a huge point of kind of just a self checkpoint. Like it shows that I am growing as a trader and learning. Yeah, bias was correct in the end. Good trade overall. Good move if you were able to catch that. Following my rules, I wasn't able to, and that's fine. I won't catch every trade. That's not the point. But yeah. I hope you guys have a great day. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. If you want to join my free Discord, the link is in the description. Thank you guys so much. God bless.